Let's break down what's happening on XRP using the daily chart you're seeing on screen. XRP is currently pressing into a major support zone after a sharp sell-off and a weak rebound. This structure tells us the market is at an important decision point. Starting with the broader structure, XRP is trading inside a descending trend channel, defined by the falling upper trend line and the rising lower support line on this chart. Price has repeatedly failed near the upper trend line and is now rotating lower, showing that sellers remain in control of the dominant trend. Notice how price is also trading below key moving averages, which are sloping downward. These moving averages are acting as dynamic resistance, reinforcing the bearish bias while XRP remains below them. As long as price stays capped beneath these levels, upside attempts are likely to face selling pressure. Momentum confirms this weakness. The RSI on the lower panel is hovering around the mid-30s, well below the neutral 50 level. This tells us buyers lack strength, and rallies so far are corrective, not impulsive. The most important area on this chart right now is the $1.9161 to $1.8570 support zone, highlighted by multiple daily reactions. Buyers have stepped in here before, but the rebounds have been shallow, a sign of defensive buying, not strong accumulation. From a bearish perspective, as long as XRP remains below the January 19th high at $2.0283 on a daily closing basis, downside risk remains elevated. A daily close below the $1.8570 support floor would likely trigger a deeper move toward the $1.8193 to $1.7713 zone, which aligns with the November-December lows. If that area fails, the chart opens downside risk toward the April low near $1.6153. The bullish case depends entirely on support holding. As long as XRP defends the $1.9161 to $1.8570 zone on daily closes, price may attempt another push higher. However, for momentum to shift, XRP must break and close above the $2.0283 to $2.0859 resistance area, clearing the descending trend line. Only then does the early January high at $2.4159 come back into focus. To summarize the chart, short-term outlook, bearish while below $2.0283. A daily close above this level would shift bias to neutral. Medium-term outlook, neutral with a bearish tilt while price remains below $2.1905, but above the $1.8193 November low. XRP is at support, but until buyers prove strength, the trend remains fragile.